In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a password from a PDF in UPDF. If you've ever needed to share or archive a PDF without the hassle of a password prompt, this walkthrough is for you. Just a quick reminder before we begin. Only remove passwords from files you own or have explicit permission to modify. With that out of the way, let's get started. First, open the UPDF application on your computer. Give it a moment to launch so everything loads properly. Once it's open, you'll be ready to bring in the PDF you want to unlock. Locate the file that currently requires a password. You can browse to it from within UPDF or open it from your File Explorer and let UPDF handle it. The key is to make sure you've selected the correct document, especially if you have multiple versions of a file. When the file opens, UPDF will prompt you for the password. Type it carefully. Passwords are usually case sensitive, and extra spaces can cause an error. If your password manager autofills, double check that it's the right one for this document. After entering the password, confirm to open the file. At this point, you're inside the PDF with full access and you're ready to remove the password requirement. Look to the top right corner of the UPDF window. You'll see a drop-down or menu button with additional options. Click that to expand the menu. In the list, find the option labeled Remove Password. Selecting this tells UPDF to strip the file's open password protection so it won't prompt you next time. If you don't see the option immediately, make sure the document is fully open and that you entered the correct password. Also note that some PDFs include restrictions set by the original author. If Remove Password is unavailable, those permissions may limit changes. After you choose Remove Password, UPDF will ask you where to save the updated file. Pick a location that's easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated project folder. Consider renaming the file to something like Unlocked or No Password to avoid confusion with the original, especially if you want to keep a secured copy for sensitive sharing. Then confirm to save. UPDF will create the new version without a password, so the next time you open it, it should open directly. That's all it takes. Open UPDF, choose your password-protected file, unlock it with your password, use the top right drop-down to remove the password, and save your updated copy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your workflow.